Let's find the area of this triangle with decimal edges. First, we need to identify which formula to use. We need to use 1/2 base times height, or base times height over 2, to be able to find the area of this triangle. Looking here, we see that our base is 2.2 feet and our height is 5.6 feet. I have filled in our base and height into our formula. Now it's time to multiply the decimals. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 1 is 13. When you multiply with decimals, you ignore the decimal point until the end. So right now, I'm going to multiply this double digit by double digit number as if the decimals were not there. Now that I have multiplied the 6 through, I need to make sure that I have the 5 ready to go. So I'm done with the ones place, so I'm going to put a 0 here, so I do not put any answers. Now I need to multiply 5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. Once you have your second row, you add up your answer. Now we need to place our decimal. There's one number after the decimal here and one digit after the decimal here. Therefore, at the end, we need to have 2 digits in our answer after the decimal. So our decimal point needs to go right here. Going back to the triangle formula, we now need to take that answer and divide by 2. I always like to place my decimal point before I do anything so I don't forget. 2 cannot go into 1, but it can go into 12. It can go into 12 6 times. 6 times 2 is 12. Once you subtract, you need to bring down the 3. 2 can go into 3 1 time. After you do that, you subtract and bring down. 2 can go into 12 6 times. 6 times 2 is 12, and we are now done with our division. Final answer.